Hello Positive Thinkers! So in this video lesson, I am going to teach you on how to convert 12-hour time to 24-hour time and vice versa. Alright, so in converting 12-hour time to 24-hour time, you just need to add 12 hours. Okay, you need to add 12 hours for the hour part and then just keep the minute part. Or you may also use this one. For example, so this is in the 12-hour format. So for the 24-hour format, or what we call the military time. So 24-hour format is also called the military time. So after the 12 p.m. or 12 noon, if it will be 1 p.m., 1 in the afternoon, so that is 1300 hours. 1 p.m. is 1300 hours. 2 p.m. is 1400 hours. Then 3 p.m. that is 15. Then we have 16 and so on. Alright, let's take these examples. For the first one, 5:35 p.m. Okay? So 5:35 p.m. is equivalent to 17:35. You change the 5 into 17 and then just copy the minute part, the 35. So it is read as 17:35. There's no time indicator like AM or PM for the 24-hour time. Or you may also add 12 to the hour part. So we have 5:35, then plus 12. 5 plus 12 is equal to 17. So that's why it is 17:35. Alright, next one. By the way, you need to add 12 hours to the hour part between the 12 p.m. until 11:59 p.m. except for the 12 noon or 12 p.m. Okay, next one. We have 8 a.m. So 8 a.m. is equivalent to 0800 hours. So just add 0 in front of 8. So 0800 hours for the 8 a.m. Next, for 11:40 p.m. So 11 is equivalent to 23. So that is written as 23:40, or just add 12 to 11. 11 plus 12 is 23, and then just keep the minute part. So 11 or 23:40. Next, 9:25 p.m. 9:25 p.m. is 21:25. 21:25, or 12 plus 9 is 21. For 12 a.m., that is equivalent to 0 hours. That is for the 12 a.m. Take note. So next, for the 24-hour time to 12-hour time. So we're going to do the opposite. If in 12-hour time to 24-hour time, you add 12. Then for 24-hour time to 12-hour time, you're going to subtract 12. Okay, so we have 0:36. So 0 or 12 minus 0 is 12. So 12, and then just keep the minute part. So that is 12:36 a.m. For the 12-hour time, you're going to write the time indicator, AM or PM. Next, 18:30. So 18:30, that is equivalent to 6:30 p.m. Okay, 6:30 p.m. or 18 minus 12. 18 minus 12 is equal to 6. So 6:30. Copy the minute part, 6:30 p.m. For 23:25, that is 11:25 p.m. 0900s or 0900 hours is equivalent to 9 a.m. And for 100 hours, that is 8 p.m. And that is all for this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to think positive.